What if you could build something this week that'll make you money next month? That's not a dream, that's a system. And AI just made it stupid easy to build one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret Etudo and I am a creator. I don't like to call myself a particular niche creator because I am the niche. I can talk about wellness, wealth, ways that you can improve your income, you increase your income, entrepreneurship, academics, any and everything that could help you to become an independent person, to become a better person. The essence of this YouTube channel is just to make you 1% better every single time you watch my video. So whatever it is that I have to talk about, I will. I want you to identify me as my name and not my niche, if you get what I mean. So if you know that this is something you're interested in, why don't you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button as well, so that you never miss out when I come on live. If you're my OG here, you know I go straight to the point. I do not like to daddle, to rabble razza, to go in and out, up and down. I'll give it to you as it is. Now, the topic for today is AI. And we're not just talking about artificial intelligence like people have been saying since 2020 something. We're talking about how you can make it work for you, whether you're there or not, which in other words is automation. And so the first thing we're going to be talking about is digital products on autopilot. Here, I'm expecting you to bring what you're interested in or something that you just have, even if it's a tiny percent more knowledge than the next door neighbor. I just need you to have something of substance for yourself. Now, AI is going to run the rest. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to pick your favorite AI tool. I personally just love Claude AI. If you want to make me an ambassador, this is a perfect time. Anyways, you can pick something like Claude AI and tell it what you know. You're just like doing a brain dump, only that this time the brain isn't yours. You are telling Claude what you know and it's absorbing all your information. Okay, so I want you to think. I want you to practice this and come back to the comment section and let me know how it goes for you. Tell Claude about your skill, about your passion, about the thing you want people to buy or know you about or something, right? When you do that, you find out that you start to give your personal experience. I don't want you to go and do a topic that you are not familiar with or a topic that you feel is popular but it's not personal. We're choosing personality over popularity because with personality, you get that edge you need to convince people that you know what you're doing well enough for them to buy whatever it is you're selling. And we're going to come to that in a bit. So you're going to tell Claude everything you know, and then when you're done with that, you see that you've personalized it. It's not something you can get from the internet because it's about you. It's what you know. Now, the next thing is we need a page to host what you're packaging because Claude is going to use all that information you've given it to give you a digital product, a product that is not held physically. It could be a PDF, a course, a tutorial, something you could just upload somewhere that's not going to stress you at all, right? That's what you're going to do. Now, the next thing is where you're going to host the page that's going to convince someone that they should buy what you're selling, because you're not going to go about one by one to people telling them, hey, look, I have this solution, you have this problem, let's exchange stuff. You give me money, I give you solution, and we part ways. You're not going to do that. It's not productive. But what you are going to do is to create a page that is going to contain the persuasive words they're going to use to tell someone to give you their money in exchange for whatever it is you're promising them. Okay, so this is where you're trying to sell yourself. You can use Lovable. It's a wonderful software. It's a wonderful tool that helps you to create, that allows you to create websites, sales pages, and whatnot. So when you're done with that, the next thing is to create the creative, the ad creative, be it a picture or video, depending on what works for you. But I love videos, as you can see. So you go to Facebook and you create, you open your favorite recording tool, create the video, make sure that it's worth it, edit it with CapCut, go to Facebook and run your advertisement. Now, the essence of this is to make sure that the whole system follows a pathway. You see, I started from the ending, which is the product, which is what is the most valuable thing in this whole flow. And then I moved straight into the page, the landing page, the sales page that convinces someone to buy the product. Then I moved to the creative that would even lead someone to the page to buy the product. And after the creative, you're going to have to set it up, tie it all up with your Facebook advertisement, which displays your creative to people. They see it, they click, and then they go to the sales page. And after that, they buy with whichever payment system you've set up. There's Gumroad, there's Stand Store, there's Selar, depending on where you're located and what works for you really. And once you're done with that, the digital products will be delivered to your end user. So you set it all up. if you're someone who is building a brand or who has a newsletter, you can also find a way to loop in people receiving it into their emails. So of course you build an email list and even make more money, because the more people you get into your email list, the more you have more control and you can sell more things to them without having to spend an extra amount of money in the name of running ads. Okay, so when you do that, you find out that you have something that is going round, like it's like a roundabout, like a merry-go-round that gives you money. I have a friend that literally makes, he has already gone, I think he has done over 700,000 naira, which is like, how much in dollars? Like, it's like $500 from sales of digital products. He doesn't even know who buys. All he sees is like the receipt that you just made a sale, That's what he wakes up to. And then he tries to optimize based on how many or how much abundant transaction he has. And then that's just my friend. I have experienced sales, digital products, because of a properly done system with the use of AI to package what it is I know in a proper, presentable way, and then give me what I want. So if you know that you are looking for how you can make, or you don't know how to put it together, you know that you can use AI and digital products to make money, but you just don't know how it all ties together, this is one way. This is the system. I just explained it for you. You've seen it on my screen. Practice. The second thing is automation as a service. What does that mean? You are literally building workflows. Now, I just told you how to do digital product, building a system for yourself and selling digital products. You can also build a system for someone and charge them for the system. You're not trying to, maybe they want to do this digital product. Maybe they want to do option one. Your job is to set it all up for them. That is how you can use AI to make money. So you are using AI to set up automations for people and charge them an upfront fee. And when you're done, you're also going to charge them a maintenance fee so that nothing crumbles. So whether it is through the whole creative method or you're doing it with N10, whichever way you are going to sort it out, that is a way. If you've not considered it, it's very hot. And you can find a lot of people who are killing this on LinkedIn and Twitter. So get to work. Do your research, because here, I'm just going to give it to you as it is. Now, the last stream of income, or the last way that you can use AI to get you that money that you're looking for, is with AI-powered niche websites. And what do I mean by here? We're basically just combining what we said in number 2, but instead of doing it for someone, you're doing it for yourself. So you're going to create a AI content automation system. If you know that you're interested in knowing or seeing behind the scenes of how I use N10 to power systems for blogs, websites, comment system below this YouTube video, and I will go live to show you. I'm not going to do it a recorded video. I might actually have to go live. I'll see if I can do that on my YouTube, by the way. But yeah, so the point is you can tie it all up. You can tie it in using AI, N10 automation to create a system that helps you to build a website. Yeah, you can build a website for yourself that not only you're building the website, but you're also populating it with articles. You're using that AI to your own benefit. Because you're the owner, you decide how things work. You decide who has the final say. The AI can go all through to giving you a draft, which you can proofread and then publish. If you even decide for everything to hold on and you don't have to oversee anything, maybe at the end of the week, you go ahead to look at things that you have already published during the week, which is what I like to do. It will still make you money. And at the end of the day, when your articles start to rank on Google because you've done the right techniques, besides, you should go check out my video where I talk about how I made money from Google as a blogger, so that you know how best to do your monetization and go about all of that. When you start making money as a blogger without having to put so much energy into writing the articles, that is the sweetest amount of money you're going to see on the internet. I promise you. The one where you didn't struggle so much to get. At the end of the day, you are making money from affiliate links, display ads, and you're not stressing yourself to do it. It's not going to take you a month. It's going to take, of course, more than that. It's going to take you less than a month to set up, but it's going to take you quite a long time for it to start yielding results, this particular step. I mentioned it here because I am using it, and I can tell you for a fact that you'll be happy if it starts working for you. So make sure to click on that video, either in the description box or on the screen, and watch it. It's going to help you. And the best part is once you do this website and you're able to see the process, you can sell it for good money on sites like Motion, Invest, Flipper, and the rest. and build another one and sell, and then you're just in the business of building websites, niche websites, selling them, making money. These things are not far-fetched. I know people who are doing this, and I'm still on my own journey to doing it, and I'm sharing my experiences as I go by. So if you know that this is something that you are interested in, pay attention, ask questions in the comment section. Don't just absorb information without you doing anything about it. I hope this made sense to you folks. I have come to the end of this wonderful YouTube video. We've mentioned and talked about 3 ways that you can use AI, automation, and the combination together to get you that money, to get you that bag that you're looking for in 2026. This is June at the time of recording this video, 6 months into the year, and a lot of you, me included, have not yet achieved all of our New Year resolution goals. This might just push you in the right direction, because if we're not talking about money, what are we really talking about? Anyways, I'll see you in my next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Toodles!